from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
Welcome everyone. Welcome back, traders, multi-million dollar wealth builders. We are Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. I'm Cam Todd, and this is Emma with the Operations Center in the Philippines, and we're going to take you down a little journey today, trading a $500 open-end account on the NASDAQ E-mini futures right after this message.
Purposes only. We do not offer financial, legal, or investment advice. Any credit building or stock market strategies discussed are examples for learning only, and should not be seen as guarantees of results or earnings. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making financial decisions.
All right. I hope that's clear. We're just doing what we're doing just to help you out. You can gain some insight, some information, some advice. It's all up to you, but just remember, consult professionals before you actually get involved in the program. Having said that, we have 3 wonderful programs with the 3 pillars of wealth. I'm going to let Ms. Emma tell you what the 3 programs are, and a little bit about them real quick, and then we'll jump into our daily trading strategy. Emma?
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Yes, again, Elite Credit and Investment Advisor would like to invite everyone to join our program, the 3 pillars of wealth. You can actually choose between the Credit Mastery Program, Smart Investing, and the Financial Education. So in the Credit Mastery, if you have problem with your credit score, personal or business credit, let us know. You can join our program and start just very affordable, $97 for your first month. And if you want to get the full program, just let us know and we can give you a good discount on that. And also, we have an AI software, Dispute Beast, that can help you monitor your credit, and we can also help set up your EIN, your business name, if you want to set up your own business and um, build your business credit. And also, we have the smart investing. If you are dreaming to start your into trading, so we have a program that you can practice using our platform, and then we're gonna be assisting you. We'll be walking through with you on the practice with zero rest. So we have a practice trading that can help you familiarize how it works into trading. And later on, if you are confident enough to trade in real account, then we can also help you. We have also a platform that is legit that can be available for you to start into trading. And the financial education, if you need some materials, free materials, resources, digital books that can help you boost and enhance your knowledge into finance and how to manage your financial um, matters in your life. We have some resources. We can also talk to you and give you some you know um, tips that can help you. And if you want to join both program, you can actually choose which one and start for only $97. Or let us know, we can give you a free one-on-one talk to get on board with us. Just contact me at 877-587-4540, and there's a lot of free digital books that we can send you to start for free in the program. So stay tuned with us.
Thank you so much, Miss Emma. I appreciate you. For just real briefly, we're going back to discuss the trading we're going to be doing today. This program is set up for you to make $1 million in a year, and you can make $1 million in a year by trading just about any kind of stocks or any kind of bonds or whatever. We do specialize in studying the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures, and reason is it's a very, very reasonable $12.50 or $25 entry point. You can actually learn all of the patterns and the hows, the whens, the wheres, and the where-fives with the TradingView platform, completely risk-free. It's a risk-free, zero investment for the platform, and it's risk-free, zero investment to practice and to train. If you ever do decide to slide over and get another brokerage, there's dozens of them available. We personally use NinjaTrader. We've made thousands of dollars trading with the NinjaTrader. We've also lost some. So we do know some of the what to do's and some of the what not to do's. And with that, I'll have said what we're doing today is we're going to start off with a $500 program. And we are going to see what we can make with the market in the state of fluctuation it is today, looking at the charts. So we're going to pop over to the charts, see what we have here. We are going to select paper trading. You'll notice the paper trading is right next to the NinjaTrader. Okay, we're going to select the paper trading so that it's zero cost. If we click the NinjaTrader, we'd be trading the real market, trading real money, and that can be a plus and that can be a minus. So we're going to go ahead and reset our account to $500. We're going to reset that account. Go in here for $500, just like we had populated a genuine $500 trading account. And you'll notice that the account is trending generally toward an upslope or a bull market, but it is trending. With that, we're going to see if we can't magnify this just a little for you guys. Let's slide this over to a bigger screen. That usually makes it bigger for you to see. And then on top of that, we're going to actually magnify it. Let's see. All right. There we go. All right, you can see that a little better. You are noticing that it's got sort of an upsweep to it. Now, what I'm going to recommend today, starting with $500, we're going to try, of course, naturally, we're going to try to bite off little chunks of 25, 50, whatever we can get of money to build that. The goal is to try to get that $500 up to $1,000. Okay, you can trade as little or as much as you want on the $500 account. You can trade up to 5 contracts. You have to have $100 for each contract. I'm going to select 1 unit, take profit, stop loss. I'm going to do 25 and 50. 25 and 50 on the stop loss and the take profit. All right, let's have a look. All right, so on the take profit, we're going to do 25, so it won't be very far before it goes ahead and takes a profit. On the stop loss, we're going to put a 50. There we go. Go ahead and take that out of there. 1. There we go. Oh, it is 25. All right, so we're going to buy in. All right, we're in. Take this out where you can see it. Let's move that stop loss down a little bit, just a little. Confirm that. Looks like we're in the green. We're making money already. Let's see if we can get this where we can see it. All right. So we're $1.50 in the green. What we're waiting for is that green number to go up there and hit that take profit. All right. And it looks like the take profit seems to be set around between $8 and $10. So we're going to watch. It's up $7. You can see down here realized and unrealized profit and loss. So that's the flow of the trade. It's trending up a little, it's trending down, and as long as it's in the green, you're making money. So we're going to basically we're set on automatic right now. We're going to wait till it goes up to the green. And when it hits the buy order, it's already been bought, but when it hits the take profits that we have set, which is, let's see, it's like 12.50. There's 250. We're going to go ahead. We need to hit that confirm. There we go. $4 in the green. Slowly but steady, it's gently rising. Okay, which is what you want. You want a nice, slow, steady, one way or the other. It could be traveling upwards, it could be traveling downwards, but just like the surf, you want to be riding the wave towards something. Get into some volatile trading like we did yesterday. Emma and I traded. It was up and down in a whipsaw fashion. We really shouldn't have been trading that, but we were kind of excited to get in there and trade. You can lose as quickly as you can win. You can trade up, you can trade down. The secret is to try to trade as consistently as humanly possible. See if you can always leave the trade better than you got there. And this needs to go ahead and make a reversal for us to show us that it's a positive. Right now it's traveling down a little bit. You can see from the chart that it's still well within the boundaries of traveling back up. It's just making us a little nervous. No big deal. We're going to let it trade just a second. And of course, if it does trade all the way down, we set ourselves, because we had a $500 account, we set ourselves a $50 maximum loss, which is kind of a rule of thumb. You don't want to lose just, you don't want to blow up your whole account. So we set ourselves a $50 stop loss, which means we could potentially lose $50, and we're trying to win, trying to gain $12.50, but we can always raise that if it starts to look good, starts to trade up. We can always raise our limit and let that trade be a little higher. So we'll wait till it turns green. Hopefully it's doing themselves a little reversal right here. And then you'll start to see these numbers drop from, see they're drop a little, the red numbers, 7. We want to see that fall down under the 6, 5, 4, and eventually green. And when they turn green, we'll raise our take profit just a little bit. And this is how it all works. Once again, you can see your indicators right here. It is the Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 Index Futures. We're trading futures contracts. We're trading little pieces of them. There is some leverage built in down here for to allow us to trade a $24,000 stock. Basically, we had to borrow from the system to trade so that we can make our dollars on the margin. Once again, you'll see these numbers change. Let's go ahead and raise that up. We're gonna raise it up to $50. There we go. Just put the stop profit up there, which means once it starts climbing up that direction, we can of course pull out at any time, but we could also potentially win the $50. So let's watch it. This is it's the real trading on the real market. This is live stock market data, dovetailed or hooked up to the TradingView platform. It's real as you can possibly get with zero risk, because we have no risk in the TradingView platform. We didn't pay anything for it. We get it every 30 days for free, as we would show you how to do. But you do get to trade in the real market simulated environment. And that's important, because without that, you'd be trying to trade just by the seat of your pants, so to speak. And that's never any good. That's what we call a recipe for disaster. Even though sometimes I do take some wild and crazy trades, and I do lose some crazy stuff. But I know what I'm doing going into it. It's not a surprise. And it's steadily going up. But then it says, so we're at 850 red and it's trying to give us a green. I'd like to see that go green and go on up there and make us a profit. But it is a remarkably slow trading. This afternoon's remarkably slow trading. Steady, but slow, which is fine. I believe it's still a bull market, still traveling up. The trend is your friend. The trend is up, 750 there. Just keeps flirting with us back and forth, which is fine. Let it trade just a minute. I'm going to pop over here and find one of our new programs. We can show you how to get started building your business credit. Of course, you build your business credit on NoDoc Business Credit on your EIN instead of your personal credit, and be up there before you know it. Let's see what we got going on here. We're going to start your own trucking company with $500.
Was impossible without massive capital. Here's how I proved them wrong. With just 5-0, you can build your own trucking empire. Get monthly 500 payouts while we help you fast-track business credit on your EIN. Our experts guide you every step of the way, from paperwork to profits. Call 1-800-777-587-4000, 540 now. Trucks, credit, freedom. Let's roll.
Very cool. All right. All right, so the trucking program is real simple. You start with $5K. We start paying you back $500 a month for 12 months. So you actually make your money back. You make $6,000 out of 12 months. But you also get a company to start your building. They build your business. They give you your business EIN, your Dun & Bradstreet number, your business phone number, your business address. Get your business up and rolling so that you can start building a business credit. And any kind of business works. We assist you all along the way so you make your money back. And you make your money back and you make a profit at the same time after you build your business. Now what we did right there is we had set our stop loss in at $50 so that it did trade down and triggered our stop loss. So when you lose money on a trade, that's what it looks like. Okay, you lost a little bit of a $50 right here, and you see the amount went down 5702. It's not a big deal. You still got $500 left. You can make it back. You can make it back a number of ways. You can make it back $5 at a time. You could double your entry point and make it back at one time. We'll just have to see what we want to do. So I'm going to work on my trading over here and get right back in. Still believe it's going up. I'm going to change this 1 to 2. I'm going to come with the same take profit of 25, same stop loss. I'm going to go ahead and buy in, and then I'm going to move the bar. We're in the green, which is good. We made $20. So a minute ago we were down by 450. So now we have 464.94. It's come up a little bit. We're going to try that exact same thing again. I'm going to click our trade button. We'll pull that down so I can see just a little bit better. All right, 2 units instead of 1. Stop loss 25. Take profit. Go in. All right, we're going to pull that down just a little bit and confirm that. Got a good amount going in there. It's green. It's headed up. Hopefully it'll keep going up instead of turning red like that right there.
Confirm
that. I raise it up a little. I'm gonna bring it back down just a little. Whoa, whoa. How about 50? How about that? There we go. All right, now what it'll do is it'll trade once again. It's got to turn green, and it'll go up. There's green, and it'll go up there and hit that take profit, and then the money will come down to us. We've got a 464. We'll have 474, 480, 490, whatever it happens to be. You'll see possibility of some money coming in there. We're looking now. We're watching it trade up and down. Hopefully, it'll go ahead and reverse here in a second and go up and tag us in, which it should, because once again, it was a nice, genuine, slow but steady rise to the top. We did double our investment with 2 units, so it's a little more expensive. But I've got great faith in believing that it's going to go ahead and travel up there, give us a good profit, tag the investment, and we'll be good. So let's keep our eyes on it just a second. These things are lightning fast. That's why it's called scalping. These trades are super, super fast. You can get into them quick. You can get out of them just as quick. But the problem is you can lose $10, $15, $20 between when you click the button and when it decides to make the trade. So bear that in mind. There's a little bit of time delay between when you choose to sell or buy and when the machine actually does it. Some of that's called slippage, and some of it's just slow movement on the part of the actual brokerage itself. It's got to go through several people and several levels before it buys and sells. So there we're coming down. We've got a smaller red number, hoping it'll turn green here in a minute. As soon as it turns green, we're in the profit. It'll start adding up. When it adds up, we're hoping it'll go up to where we're needing it to go. And really all we do at this point is wait for it to take care of its business. So red 9. Keep your eye on the ball, ladies and gentlemen. Red 7. All right, we're broke even. Now we're in the green 2. 1. Then broke even again. 5. 2. Likes to flirt right around that success mark right there. 8. Can take a little jump up and we'll be good to go. I think we're set between $12 and $20 on the profit margin right now. $8 looks good. $15. $21. $27. 26. 30. I don't know how high I set it up. 31. There we go. Now let's look down to where we're at. All right, so we're right back at $500 where we started. All right, so then we ask Emma, because Emma's the one that keeps me stable, keeps me from blowing too much of the account most of the time. But we want to jump back in and just make a little profit, maybe a $50 profit today or something like that, or what do we want to do?
Yeah, we can do that, sir.
All right, we'll get back in then when we get over here. Set up. We're going to take profit at 25. I'll tell you what we'll do. We're going to go ahead and we'll do something nicher. We're going to do 30. Stop loss.
Yeah.
30. We're going to do 30-30. That's a little interesting combination I ran into this morning or last night. One. All right. We're in the buy section. We're going to wait for it to give us a little bit of a buy signal. Still showing a little red indicator right now, so we'll wait till it levels out. Comes down a little bit, and then we'll choose to buy in. What are we looking at here? So we've got a little bit of a down candlestick.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Has it given us a green indicator? Once it gives us a little nudge upward, we're fairly certain. And you can watch your patterns to see what's going on. You've got kind of an upward trend going here, right here with this arrow. went up, then it consolidated, then it went up again for 3, then over, closed off, and over 1, and then now we've got a good genuine buy indicator right there. So we're going to take that, come down a little bit with this, and we're at, what are we at there with this? Let's raise this, let's put this at about there, confirm that. All right, so it's on the green slide. It looks like it's making us some money. Let's go ahead and take this out. We can see a little better. Slide this over. You can see what the candles are doing. So it's going to go ahead and continue to trade up. It looks like we set our take profit at $31. All right, and we can change that later. But so far, we put a little bit of a high stop loss on it here. I normally would do no more than 50, but I put it a little higher because I want it to be able to come down further before it goes back up. Just hedging my bet that I'm pretty confident that it's going back up and we'll hit that $31 mark. So we'll watch it. All right. Look at that. See, our red numbers are counting down, kind of fluctuating back and forth, but basically they're counting down as the green candles are popping up. So hopefully we'll just keep your fingers crossed. We'll see it go up to it'll go into the under 20, go into the teen digits, and then when it drops from the teen to the say 10 down to 9, so it starts to pick up a little speed. You'll see the green candle shoot up there past the blue line. Once that green candle that you're looking at right here hits the blue line, you'll see this turn to green. See there, we're down to 3, down to 1. Now the green candle's on the blue line, so we broke even. And then as it crosses the blue line and goes up, what you're seeing there is you're seeing a profit. So there's $5 profit, and it's going to fluctuate back and forth. It's going to flirt right across that line of profit. But hopefully, keep your fingers crossed. We'll see that thing go up all the way to, I think, $20, $30. We set to take profit at. Good. Still in the single digits. You're seeing the process of the market trading up and down, the fluctuation going on there. We're just about, we'll hit this profit and then we'll call it a day on the trade. Just so that you see, you can start with a $500 account and you can trade up to, of course, your target goal can be one of several goals. Today, it could be just a hobby for $20. Let's go ahead and show you that chart real quick. The chart, very simple. You can decide what kind of a trader you want to be. Do you want to pop in there for a hobby, or do you want to be, let's just take a look. I'll show it to you. All right, let's have a look. So the chart looks like this. When you're trading daily, you're trying to make $20 a day, which is, I mean, that's $100 a week. That's $400 a month. That's a payment. That's nothing to sneeze at. It's $5,000 a year. So that's a hobby level. A side hustle is $100 a day. Now, ideally, we'd like to make $100 every day. That's $500 a week. Step up from that, $500 a day is a sweet spot to be in. So if we could turn this 500 that we've got into 1,000, that would be phenomenal. Then we could trade $1,000 a day. We could trade that 1,000 into another 1,000. That'd be wonderful. That's $250,000 a year. So just depending on what kind of effort you want to put in, there you go. All right, so let's have a look back at the charts. Where do we go? Oh, It went ahead and came down and stopped us out, and we went down to 429. So we're going to end it with that for today. One of the secrets to trading, and this is one of the hardest ones for me to learn, is knowing when to fold them. Knowing when to say you're done for the day, come back tomorrow. It's just like the surf. Today the surf's a little choppy, you're not doing so great. Come back tomorrow. Don't keep playing the game till you lose everything. Okay? Have yourself an established set of guidelines and rules. For example, maybe we set $50 up as a rule. When we lost that $50, we should be definitely stopping, but we actually lost 70 altogether. So we kind of went $20 over our rule. We need to come back maybe tomorrow and make that back up and get back to 500 and then make it, continue from there. So if you got it, and I'm just going to say arbitrarily you set your own rules, but for us, we don't like them to lose more than 10% of our trading account if possible. So having said that, I'm going to let Emma close us out with the word of inspiration. I'm going to pop on over here, let her have the dashboard, and she can tell you a little bit about some of the other things we got going on, and then we'll close out till tomorrow.
Okay, well, thank you so much, sir, for that experience to practice trading this afternoon. And again, to our viewers on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, feel free to contact me anytime. Start your journey in building your crypto trading and start doing practice with us or into the Credit Mastery Program, Financial Education Program. If you need those program, please feel free to contact me. We can give you a 3-day free onboarding. And after that, if you decide to join our program, then you can join as part of the team and start your first month either into Credit Mastery, Smart Investing, or crypto trade into financial education. So God bless you, everyone, and see you tomorrow.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.